Hi, and welcome to this short demonstration on installing eGlobe G2 certificate installation. eGlobe G2 certificate software provided for the vessel for editing or installing different service tools of the eGlobe G2. The software provides zip file as a link. Download the zip file, eGlobe G2 AddDigiCert signed version 1.1 2033. Before you continue, make sure you have an empty USB stick. Check that it's formatted as FAT32. After downloading the file, extract the contents of the zip archive to an empty USB drive by entering the password provided in the guide. Make sure to save the files directly to the root of the USB stick. Do not use any subfolders. In the next step, make sure both the master and backup ECDIS are running. First, go to the main station and exit the navigation mode. Double-check that navigation mode is off. If the integrator displays information as shown in the example, then proceed to insert the USB stick. If the button is still blue, click on it, select Settings from the taskbar, and then press the Exit Navigation Mode button again. Insert your USB medium into the external USB socket on the ECDIS unit and wait approximately 45 seconds. Please note, if your vessel is equipped with an eChart secure gateway, the USB stick must be inserted into the gateway instead. Next, click on Update Software. This will open the software update window. From the list, select the file named eGlobe G2 AddDigiCert given version, then click Install. A warning message will appear asking for confirmation to proceed with the update. When prompted, simply select Yes to continue. If you encounter any issues, please do the following. Take a photo of the screen and/or the error message displayed. Click on System Shutdown to safely power down the system. Inform Chart World Support and provide the details along with the image so they can assist you further. When you see the confirmation window pop up, simply click OK. After clicking, the system will return to the integrator window. Leave the master station running with the integrator window open. Do not shut down the unit. Next, move to the backup station, insert the USB stick, and repeat the same steps as performed on the master station. These next steps are critical. Please follow them carefully to ensure the tool installs correctly. Shut down the backup station. Then shut down the master station. Now, follow this order to restart the system properly. Power on the master station and wait until navigation mode is fully loaded and the green information labels are visible. Next, power on the backup station and again wait until navigation mode is fully loaded and the green labels appear. Confirm that both master and backup labels are displayed correctly. Finally, acknowledge the network alert on both stations to complete the process. The ECDIS stations are now prepared for use of other eGlobe G2 service tools, like ClearPatch or Base Media Fix. Still have questions or need urgent help? Our global emergency team is available 24/7, just a call or message away.